Is what really going on? No. Nah, Drake. Nah. Yes, soldier. Lamamba. Yes, man. I got an article here, so many people there still talking. This here, man, talk about he gets to, and I guess what? He got on locks. Listen, I can't let me show you this here now. Alright, I waited for you. I say you'll wait for you come, man. Alright.
You don't want to see this, man?
Man, yes, Drake. Check the paper here, man.
See this here, man. Stone for being. Where's this? This man got locks. You see? This is what I try to explain to people all the time. Now here's a man that's saying that he being stoned for being gay. And I don't believe that, because in Barbados, you got a lot of homosexuals that walk around every day. Nobody stoned them. Nobody do anything to them. So why would they want to stone him? And the only reason that I believe that they would want to stone this man is because he wearing locks. And locks is identified as Rastafari. So you walking around with locks on your head and you talking about you being stoned because you gay, that don't really make sense. Not in Barbados. It makes sense because what makes sense is that you got locks on your head and you walking around knowing that you are being identified as Rastafari, but saying that you're homosexual. It don't mix. Rastafari is a liberty that deal with king and queen, where all God is king and queen. I don't, whatever a man and woman want to do with their life, that's their life. But you can't bring that into Rastafari. You cannot bring that, because that is what we don't represent that. We represent a true and living God and Goddess, right? So Mr. Dwayne Best, I would suggest that you really take a look at yourself. If you don't want nobody to disrespect you, don't disrespect other people's culture, right? And everybody that saw this picture, the first thing that they said, oh, there's a Rasta man. And I'm gonna show you something, brethren. Just 3 months ago, I read Three Little Sisters Reasoning, and they had a reason about some video clip they was watching. And one of the sisters said, yeah, the one that was walking up the worst, the one that was walking up the best, it was a Rasta man, but he's a bullet. So I had to turn around to the sisters and say, well, sis, what do you mean by that? She said, yes, he's a bullet, but he got locks. He's a Rasta, he got locks. Listen, locks, being a bullet and being Rasta, it do not mix. There's no such thing. That's like associating bullying with Islam. That's like associating bullying with Christianity. That's like it doesn't mix. We are saying that this man here got stoned because he's walking around Barbados and with locks on his head, and I'm quite sure everywhere he go, people call him Ras, and therefore if anyone know what Rasta is, he's going to have problems. So respect other people's liberty like you want other people to respect yours. Rastafari.
Right now, let me tell you now. Rasta don't deal with a bodyism right now. A penis is made for a vagina. A penis is not made for a rectum. And that is how it is in Rastafari. So when you come in with that penis and ass, don't bring it in Rastafari. That is nothing to do with Rastafari. So if you gay and you go on locks, take your locks off and don't disrespect our liberty, because we have put judgment for you to the power of the Most High. Jah, Rastafari. I bungle like the fireman there, so tell you so. Fire! Fire! Tread hard! You know, Tread.
Rastafari.
Banku.